Gasket for 4-2-1 headers. New M10 by 1.25 studs and nuts. 2. ID. Graphite donut gasket. Replacement for damaged or used gaskets. Headers blown a gasket and now you have a leak? Not to worry with our 4-2-1 header downpipe exhaust gasket kit. Includes everything you need from the header to downpipe gasket, studs and nuts to the donut gasket package included, 3x new studs and nuts, 1x2 graphite donut gasket, 1x graphite coated aluminum core laminate downpipe gasket. This item fits 8601 Acura Integra, 0407 Acura TSX, 90-98 Eagle Talon, 93-97 Ford Probe, 9007 Honda Accord, 8800 Honda Civic, 93-97 Honda Civic Del Sol, 88-91 Honda CRX, 9201 Honda Prelude, 9102 Infiniti G20, 90-99 Mitsubishi Eclipse, 9702 Mitsubishi Mirage, 95-98 Nissan 200SX, 9006 Nissan Sentra. Only fits aftermarket 4-cylinder 2-piece 4-2-1 headers. Top reviews from the United States. Early and great. Came 4 days early, no damage, everything came in the box.